thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and I am back with another video. Y'all, today I have a very short haul. As promised in my last video, I think I spoke about this haul. It's actually two pieces to the haul. The other parts of this haul has not arrived yet. I believe it's supposed to come today, but it's just one item. So I was like, let me go ahead and get this one out the way. So for those who haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bell on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Like the video, thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff. Share with your friends. If there is something that you would like to see me do a haul on, why is that hanger sticking out there? Let me know. Send it to the email in the description box below, and I will check out the website to see if it's something on there that I would love to order and do a review on. So this review is another Temu review, and y'all, our orange goblin. Y'all know I have to get my thumbnails for these. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It is a very short haul. It's only 2 items. So let me just go ahead and get right into it. Hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. I am going to come back and do a story time to let you guys know how my holiday went, which was truly an adventure. I'm just going to go ahead and get into this right quick. The first item I have is a water bottle. I saw this and I was like, another thumbnail. I was like, you know what? I definitely have to get this because it's super cute. They were almost sold out. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and order it. Y'all, isn't this amazingly cute? Look at that. Now, I will probably more than likely use this when I go to the gym. Not probably, more than likely. I am going to use this when I go to the gym. As soon as I figure out how to use it. Wait a minute. How do you... What the hell? Is that how you do it? Okay, there we go. So you just have to push this little part up and the spout opens. I'm not sure. How do you get into the bottle? Okay, I'm gonna take this little sticker off. And of course it's crumbling apart at the bottom. I don't know. I'm trying to see how. Okay, there we go. So I wanted to open it up so I can get the gel caps out of it. And of course, it comes with a little string at the end so that you can put the string here. I don't know how many ounces this is, y'all. I want to say, oh, excuse me, it's a little over 8 ounces, maybe 12 ounces, or maybe, is it 16 ounces? It doesn't really say. It doesn't really say how many ounces it is. But isn't it cute? Just a cute little handy water bottle to take at the gym. And I think I paid like, I think this was actually $8. It might have been cheaper. Actually, I think it was like $6 with my coupon. That again, you can also carry it in your thumb like this. I think it's very convenient because a lot of times I have those water bottles and I'm chugging it along in the gym. And it's like, oh my gosh, like why? So I'll definitely be using this when I go. It's very convenient. That's one of the reasons why I purchased it. Yeah, and I just put the string around it and carry it like this. Get my workout on, because baby, this body got to be right, honey. I'll just go ahead and throw that away because I'm definitely not gonna put it back in the bag, in the box. The next item I had, y'all, when I saw this, I was like, you know what? It's not that expensive, and it kept coming up in my algorithm for some reason. I was like, you know what? I absolutely, positively have to get this. And it is a little tote bag. I don't know how Temu packs all this stuff in one bag. It's truly weird to me, but it is what it is. I thought this bag was bigger than what it is, but it's still convenient size. It's cute. It's just one of those little cute tote bags you can probably wear when you go into the mall, or if you're going out to the movies or something. Maybe out on a date. It doesn't smell. Doesn't have a smell or anything to it. So, and I think I only spent like $9 for this. But a little noisy. But it is cute, y'all. I love the color. And when I see this, it kind of put me in the mind of this is so weird. Some Reebok classics, the white ones. It has like a it's white, but it has like a little tone to it. So I definitely might be getting me some white Reebok classics, the old leather ones. I remember those. Isn't this cute? This is super cute. Like I said, it is smaller than what I thought it was gonna be, but it's definitely giving. So I would definitely be giving it a try and wearing it out. It's cute, y'all. I like it. That's basically it from this haul, y'all. This haul actually was under 10 minutes. 2 items. Like I said, I do have one other item that's supposed to be coming. I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like once I receive it. It's probably going to come today. Now, after today, I'm probably not going to have another haul for like 2 weeks. So what I'll do is I'll come in and do some story time. I do still have a lot of videos that I have to upload. So you guys will see a lot of new videos uploaded onto my channel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start going, uploading the newer ones. I'll probably start that today. So you'll get this video today, or tomorrow. So I'm going to start uploading my newer videos, and then I'm going to go back to the older videos and just date them. So that way, they're not in chronological order as of probably this video. So you'll see this video, and then I'll start going back and uploading the older videos of those hauls, and then we're gonna get caught up before the end of the year, and that way everything starting in 2024 is gonna be fresh, new. I'm gonna start doing more of my weight loss videos. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll take you guys at the gym with me. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm so excited about the new year, what's to come. 2023 has been it's been a very interesting year. I've lost some family members. Of course, you guys know my grandmother passed away, so that was a huge obstacle for me. Still kind of dealing with it, but you know, I would rather her not be suffering anymore because, yeah. But other than that, y'all know I am excited. I'm supposed to be getting married next year, so definitely trying to get that together, get my body together, get the wedding plans together. I'm excited about that. And yeah, I did mention in another one of my videos, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and check those other videos out. Starting to work on my skin better. I want to get these removed. This is a goal of mine. I want to get all of these removed. Just found out that I can get surgery to kind of clip this. I don't know how they do that, but you know, the crazy thing is, once I lose weight, these lines under my eyes, they kind of like level out. So I was thinking about getting some Botox here. I don't know if I'm still gonna do that in here. This has always been my signature dent right here. I've always had that my whole life. So my mom said I used to frown up like this a lot. I am a big facial expression person, so that's probably why I have the lines here and here. I want to get more into product reviews. That's one of the biggest things that I am going to do this coming year. If you guys haven't already went to my Instagram, go ahead and check that out. It's Isabella ATL. I'm basically there. I do have almost 11,000, or actually had over 11,000, but I lost some followers. So I've been for a long time, I've been getting requests to do product reviews. I just haven't had the time. Been having so much going on with my businesses, my regular 9 to 5, trying to get things established, wedding planning. We're trying to move. Just, it's a whole lot, but I'm gonna definitely make time in 2024. And I took my writing to a back seat, so I haven't been writing. I want to get back into writing reading more. I think throughout the days I'm gonna plan like certain days I do certain things, trying to stay organized, all that good stuff, which brings me to another thing. I do have an organizer that I'm working on as well, so look forward to that in the coming year. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm at 10 minutes with this video. I wanted to keep it really, really short and really, really sweet, because when I do come back with the story time of what happened to me during holidays, it's probably going to be about an hour video. It is crazy. It's definitely interesting, but it's definitely it's a crazy experience that I had. So look forward to that video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Y'all know I do my reviews by numbers, ratings. For this haul, I would definitely give this one a 10. I love this bottle. The bottle is actually a little smaller than what I thought it was gonna be, but with Temu, I just know how their items are, so it wasn't a big shock. Oh, beating on myself. It wasn't a big shock to me, but it is convenient. I can take it with me at the gym. So yeah, I like it. It's cute. I'll probably end up me with my creativity. I probably end up I'm not gonna say taking this off. I probably put something over it, maybe something cute with some vinyl, maybe use some stickers to kind of bling it out, or I might even bling the whole bottle out. Who knows? I don't think I'll take the time to do that, but yeah, I think it's cute. I like it. It's convenient. The bag, I love the shininess of the bag. I thought it was going to be a little bigger than what it is, but it's cool. Like I said, it does kind of put me in the mind of the Reebok Classics. I've been wanting some Reebok Classics for a long time. Actually, I'm going to see if they have some pearl, because that's like a white pearlish type look. So I'm going to see if I can find some white pearl Reeboks, and y'all should see that coming up soon. I want to do it maybe before the end of the year. But yeah, coming to the end of this video, y'all, again, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like the video, share the video with your friends, turn your notification on so y'all know when I do post new videos. Share the videos with your friends. I already said that. I like it. If there's something that you would like to see me do a haul on, go ahead and send me an email at the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Always remember to be awesome, do awesome things, and let's grow. Bye.